welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nilu. Here I share tutorials and tips for web developers. Whether you are beginner or an experienced coder, there is something here for everyone to learn. Let's code, grow, and learn together. Today I want to talk about the styled component. What's a styled component? Styled component is a well-known, popular library for styling React application. Okay, for this purpose I just implemented a style component app. The project name is style component app, and it is a React.js file. So I'm going to run the app to see that everything is fine. Okay, it works. So for having the style component, we need to install it. For this purpose, we have to have the command. So with this, we have to write npm install styled components. Okay, you can see that in the package.json, in the dependencies part, you have the style component already installed in here. So now you can use it for your app.js. For here, I want to just simply implement a button. So button is here, and you can see that it's going to have an error because I haven't already implemented this. So I have styled the button. The style comes from this style component that we already installed. For this purpose, after this, we are going to use the backtick, and in here we have to write our style for the button. For example, I want to have the font size to be 1 rem. Okay, before that, if you have not installed the extension for the style component, you are going to have trouble in using the style component, because as you can see that when we use the backtick, it's going to be a string in the JS. So we have to have this style component extension to see this part as not a string. So just hit the install button and install it. I already installed, so I cannot show you the install button, but it's very simple, just use it. Okay, I want to have, for example, the margin of 1 em. Okay, just let me copy paste the style that I wanted to have. So right now I have this button, and the button is here, you can see, and it has every style that I needed to have. Okay, this is how to implement the button, but also we can have a props for the style. So if the props is, for example, true or false or anything else, it's going to change the button. For example, I have two types of button, one primary and one secondary. So if it is primary, it's going to have a background color, and the color of the text, for example, the background color should be blue and the color should be white if it is primary. Otherwise, it's going to be the reverse of this, the white and blue. So for this purpose, I'm going to have the background color or background to be for having the props, we should use the $sign, the curly braces, and in here we have the props and arrow, and the props dot primary, for example, is the name of the props. So if it is true, we are going to have blue, otherwise white. Okay, what's the problem in here? Okay, why it is? Okay, if it is true, so I'm going to have primary in here. So you can see that the background color is now blue, and change the background color to color white and blue. Okay, for this purpose I'm going to have another button, but this one is not the primary as true, so it's going to be this one. And if we have the props as a primary, we have that one. Also, we can have another things in style component. Up to now we understood that how to implement the component using style component. We implemented the button component. Also, we talked about the props. That's very important for us. And another thing that I want to talk about is about the inherit the style. For example, here I have another button. Its name is orange button. The orange button has everything from the button, but it's just its color, for example, is orange. So I'm going to have another component. And also you have to pay attention that they are components, so they start with the capital letter and styled the for this purpose we need to have parentheses, and after that put the name of the component that you want to inherit from, and again backtick. Okay, just change it to orange button. Okay, the orange button has everything from that, but the background color is orange, so it also can have the primary. So it's just have everything, but the background color just obeys the rules of the orange button. Okay, what else? You may have another component, just real component, not the style component. For example, its name is link, and it is the class name and the children as a props, and we have A, and the children goes in here, and I have a class name as this class name. Okay, I have this simple link, and I'm going to use this link to have style. So for this purpose, after defining this link, I have to have another style component. For example, the name is a styled link. Now I can add the style to that link, so I'm going to have the styled, but this time I'm going to put the component in there, and then, for example, color is red and the font weight is bold. Okay, and in here I'm going to have style a styled link, and in here I'm going to have style link. So it's a styling, but where is the styling? So href is going to be sharp, so it doesn't goes anywhere, but I cannot see the style link. Where is the style link? Okay, I'm going to comment them. Okay, it's this styled and it's a link. Okay, let's just, maybe it's related to this class name that I just put, but I didn't use it. No. Just get back. Okay. Why it's not showing the styled link? Because we have styled link in here, we have accounts in here, we have everything in here, but this one is styled link. A styled link just, it just gives us the so this counts link, and it's going to have, okay, I forgot this return part. Okay, now you can see that it's the style link, and it's just the color is red and the font weight is bold. Also, another things that I could do is that for the arrow function we can use parentheses instead of just returning. So if it is a one line thing, so it is going to be something like this. But also for the component you have to be sure that you return a single thing, so it's okay to use the parentheses in here. Okay, thank you so much for your for watching this video, and if you have any question, please comment them below, like and subscribe if you like this video, and thank you so much. Bye.